India Today's NEET investigation is creating ripples in a big India Today impact. Congress now has taken note of our investigative report. And remember, we'd exposed how the paper leak mafia works. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi has now put out our investigation to question the government, saying that the paper leak mafia has been encouraged by BJP and RSS aides. This after India Today tracked down the paper leak mafia man and also exposed how there are several powerful bigwigs also linked to the paper leaks. We exposed the big loopholes in conducting systems that's also led to the current exam mess in the country.
इस स्टिंग ऑपरेशन पर क्या करें? देखिए, सिर्फ इसे बिहार तक सीमित मत करिए। ये पूरे देश के बच्चों के छात्रों के भविष्य का सवाल है और सरकार पूरी तरह से विफल रही है। चाहे वो केंद्र की सरकार हो या राज्य की सरकारों से जो उनको सहयोग मिलना रहता है, वो सहयोग भी मुझे लग रहा है कि बिहार तो डबल इंजन की सरकार है। ऐसे में इतने छात्रों का भविष्य बर्बाद होना, ये अपने आप में बहुत शर्मनाक है और सरकार की बोहनी ही खराब हुई है। इस सरकार के शपथ ग्रहण के साथ ही देश के छात्रों का जो भविष्य है वो अंधकार में दिख रहा है। पीजी नीट की परीक्षा का पोस्टपोन करना, अंतिम समय में छात्र बहुत परेशान है, पूरे देश में आंदोलन चल रहे हैं।
So questions being raised right now of the government based on India Today's investigative report that blew the lid on how really the paper leak mafia actually works and how well they're linked to, in fact, some of the biggest names. It's a well-oiled machinery, and that's why our expose hopefully will blow the lid and ensure that there is substantial action that's taken to expose this mafia and crack down on them. The Congress also raising now India Today's NEET investigation to question the government, saying that there must be action taken against this paper leak mafia, and also questioning if they are linked to the BJP and RSS. While it's led to an endless political showdown, we'll see really what kind of action the government takes on this issue.